Hey guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am going to refresh my master bedroom suite. I'm also going to take you guys to Target and we're going to look at bedding. But first, I wanted to share my color palette. Now, back in April, I used the colors gray and cream with a pop of pink in the florals. But for summer, I wanted to add a little bit of green. So I ordered 2 pillow covers from Angelic Interior Designs by Chanel, and I think you guys have seen these pillows in a previous video, but I didn't get a chance to talk about them. So these pillows are in a beautiful teal, ivory, taupe, and a little bit of a bluish gray color. Now typically Chanel's pillows come with one-sided pattern and then the other side is solid, but I asked for an upgrade so that I could get the pattern on both sides. Now it has a very nice opening which makes it easy to insert the pillow, and it has a hidden zipper for a seamless flow. So next we're going to head over to Target because I had been admiring the Casaluna Bedding Collection, and I knew that they had the color green and I thought it might coordinate with the pillows. But what I didn't know is what combination I wanted to get. I didn't know if I wanted to get a light colored duvet and coordinate it with a green throw, or if I wanted to get a dark color comforter, or what combination I wanted to get the set in. They had so many different choices, so if you guys are looking for bedding, this may be a place that you look. I like the fact that the bedding or the duvet cover was in a linen blend, which I really liked a lot. And so yeah, they had many other choices to choose from. They had the bed pillows in the charcoal gray along with the duvet covers and the blanket throws as well. They had the lighter gray, and yeah, it was just a beautiful collection. So I knew that I wanted to pick up a couple pieces, and so after thinking everything through and looking at all the beautiful colors that they had to offer, I did decide to go ahead and pick up the lighter colored duvet cover. I thought that that would work better for my situation, and then I wouldn't be buying so many different comforters, and I could just slide my existing comforter in the duvet cover. And so I also thought I would pick up the green blanket throw. I like the thickness of it, and I just thought that would be a cozy little touch to add to the bed with the white bedding. And I thought it would blend nicely with the pillow covers that I got from Angelic Interior Designs. Now, you guys know I love a good candle. You know I probably wouldn't get out of the store without buying a candle. I also picked up the room spray, but ended up not getting it because for the mask, I couldn't smell it. So I'll go back and pick that up because the candle smells really good. So I also wanted to take a look at the sheets to see how they were priced. So the linen ones were way too high for my budget, and then they did have some cotton ones which were still a little high for my budget. I will stick with Home Goods. I think sometimes if you look good enough, you can find nice sheets at Home Goods. So that's where I'm gonna head to get my sheets. But they did have a nice array of colors that coordinated with the comforters and blankets on the other side. So if you guys like spending a lot of money on your sheet sets, well, here you go. Target is the place for you. Okay, so back at the house, I thought the duvet cover was very nice. I went ahead and inserted my comforter. I didn't feel like I wanted to share that part because basically you just slip your cover inside. And so it did come with two shams, and I thought it coordinated beautifully with the pillows, and I thought the contrast was just what I was looking for. So when I make my bed, I do like to stack the bed pillows behind the decorative pillows. I just like that look, and so I always stack those first, and then I will place the decorative pillows in front. I think it just gives it more of a presence instead of putting the pillows flat against the headboard. I think this way it just gives it kind of a nice backdrop. At least that's my opinion. And so these pillows I got from Home Goods, and they are 26 by 26. And then the pillow covers that I got from Chanel, these are 24 by 24. And I did have some pillow covers that I got from Home Goods that I inserted in Chanel's pillow covers. And so this is another pillow cover that I got from Chanel a while back. I shared this in a living room video, and as you can see, this one is one-sided, and yeah, it coordinates very nicely with the green pillows. So yeah, I like the way that turned out. And as far as chopping or not to chop, I do like to chop some of the pillows, but not all the time. Now, the bed throw, I'm just going to casually drape it across the bottom. And it's not a throw, it's actually a blanket, so it does extend all the way down, almost to the floor on both sides. So I love that about it. I could just see myself cozying up in the bed, reading a little book. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my trip to Target. And if you guys like seeing the store tours or just going out learning about different decor styles, let me know, because with summer being here, I like to get out. I know as much as I love decorating my home, I do love getting out in the summer. So if you guys can think of some things that I can do that you might enjoy, doing home tours or store tours, or just talking about other decor styles, let me know what you guys would like to see on trips out and about. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the room together, and I hope you guys enjoy the refresh, and I hope you enjoy the video. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye bye.